To create a role, click Settings. Select Users and Permissions. Click Roles. Click Add Role. Enter a name and description for the role. In this example, we will add a new role for a Billing and Finance Manager. Scroll down to the Permissions section. Click to expand the Billing and Finance permission type and select the permissions. A color bar provides a visual indicator of the selected permissions within the permission type. Gray indicates no permissions are selected. Yellow indicates some are selected. And green indicates all permissions are selected for the permission type. Scroll to the top of the page and select the assigned users for the role. Click Save Role. The new role is added. Note that the permission type icon for each role has the same color coding. Hover over each icon for a quick glance of the assigned permissions, and hover over the assigned user to see the users assigned to the role.